Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 3 of January. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so we stuffed a total of $860 today. One, two, 300. 54, 55, 50, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 98, 10, 20, 5, 35, 45, 55, 60. So we have $860 right here. So let's get right into our bills. Alright, so starting off with our bills, electricity is getting $50. You guys, I'm going to try to keep my talking at a minimum today because I am a little sick and I don't want to keep talking so much where it's causing me to cough. Next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. So 20, 40, 5. Health insurance is getting $100. Okay, on to our cash envelopes. Alright, so we don't have any leftover money from groceries, and groceries always get $120. So 120. Okay, next is gas, and I still have the $20 from last week. I'm just gonna roll it over this week also because I didn't budget for it. We didn't go anywhere last week, and we're not planning to go anywhere this week because we are still sick. Next is spending, and spending is getting $20. Beauty is getting $10. And giving is getting $5. Okay guys, on to my second funds. Okay, starting off with my kids' savings first. As you guys can see, I did ended up outlining it again because in my previous video I did say I wasn't going to outline it anymore because it did get smeared everywhere. But we'll see how it goes this time because I do love the black outline look. So Lanesia is getting $25. Alright, so Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 25, 35, 45. So Lanesia has $6,745. Okay, and next is Jayden, and Jayden is also getting $25. So Jayden has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 25, 35, 40. So Jayden has $6,540. Next is family time, and family time is getting $10. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 70. So we have 570 in family time. Drip, which is our clothing envelope, that is getting $10. We have 1, 250, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 370 in drip. Alright guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, so starting off with our cash emergency fund. So that is getting $10 this week. So 10. Okay, so we have 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900. So we have a 1,900. Alright, so next is my home emergency fund, and that is getting $205. That 205 number came from our scratch off ticket from last week. So 150, 205. Alright, so we have 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 750, 70, 90, 8, 10, 30, 55, 65. So we at $7,865. Okay, next is our car emergency fund, and that is getting $5. $1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 60, 75, 85, and 90. So we have $1,690. Okay, next is health, and health is getting $20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 70, 90, 710, 720. So we have a 720. Okay, onto our scratch off challenge. So let's scratch out this number right here. So you guys, I don't have a coin on me. Don't come for me. I'm gonna use my paper clip. Alright, so $45. 45. Hands on. Our diamond challenge, I'm gonna scratch off this one, and this is $55. So 45 plus 55 is $200. And let me write that down. So 155 and 45. Alright guys, on to our pink binder. Alright, so we're starting off with Christmas. Christmas is getting $20 this week. We have $20, $40, $65, $70 in Christmas. So 70. Alright, next is back to school, and back to school is getting $5. So we have $10, $15, $20 in back to school. Okay, next is invest, and invest is getting $10 this week. $50, $70, $80 in invest. Okay, next is gifts, and gifts is getting $10. $10, $20, $35. So 35 in gifts. Okay guys, last is my 52-week savings challenge. And we're going to stuff 2 boxes. So 80 and 75, and that is a total of $155. So that should be all of this right here. So 50, 155. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.